Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you what to do when your microphone isn't working for the Sons of the Forest. Now the first step you want to take is actually by going to the escape, opening the options, and from here we head down to the audio settings. Now make sure that the audio in the voice chat of the voice volume is set to all the way up to 1%. Now here also make sure that the proximity voice chat is set to always on. If this isn't the case, you could also push to talk and check inside the controls which button you use for push to talk. Now let's check it real quick. Push to talk, push to talk. We have it. Can't find it, but it's probably a V or a different key. Now, if this still didn't fix your issue, we're going outside the game and we're opening up our Steam application, as you can see right here. Now, what we will do is go to the top left corner where Steam appears, open up the settings, and inside these settings we head down to the voice options. Now here, make sure that your voice input device is set to the microphone that you're using. Your primary microphone, for me, is the blue snowball. Do a start microphone test, and as you can see, my microphone isn't responding to this system. Now what I can do is actually input the volume here. The microphone should be all the way up, or check if it works. Now here we have the open mic. Now make sure to set this as open mic, start the microphone, and that's the problem. Now the voice transmission here should be on the open mic. Right here we have a lot of other options. Now let's say you have some voice transmission thresholds that filters out your voice. Now make sure to set this off, because sometimes it shows your voice as a noise below the threshold. Also you can cancel the echo, noise and automatic volume gain control. Turn them off, because sometimes they will also filter out your voice. Now if this still didn't fix the issue, you could go into the settings of your Windows device, and from here head down to system settings, open up the sound settings, and make sure that you go to the input section and your microphone, your main microphone, is set as default. Now if you can't find your microphone, simply add the device and follow the cues given by Windows, or turn up the volume in this section right here. You could also troubleshoot the audio right here, and as you can see, my current device doesn't have a jack because I'm using a Windows USB cable. You can also do next and try to troubleshoot it again. If this still did not fix the issue, you could open up the search bar, type in device manager, hop onto the device manager, go to the audio and input and outputs, and here you could choose the microphone of your liking, right click it, update the driver, search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, it already has been installed. Or you could simply go down to the properties, go to the driver, and uninstall this device completely. Now make sure to re-enter your computer, so turn off your computer and turn it on, restart your device to install it automatically again. Now if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you still got any other questions, leave them in the comments down below, or if this helped you, also leave it in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.